Everett and Izzy, starring in Thunder Smoothie, the movie. What are you guys doing?
Licking.
Licking. What are you doing, Izzy?
Okay.
Licking. Let's see. What can you tell? What can you tell your fans? Really, Everett? That's nice. Izzy, what do you have to say to your fans?
Clap.
Clap?
Yeah.
Yeah? What's that mean?
Clap.
Everett, are you making a mess?
There's making a mess in her cup.
In his cup?
Yeah. It's a dirty hand. They're not dirty hands. It's a little bit. My cup is dirty.
Oh no.
Oh, you got your new one. And I know we're not. That's the new one.
Sounds like Everett's all done.
I'm a piggy drinking my dinner, Susie. I'm a piggy.
Izzy's a piggy too?